Hiya, welcome to the video. I'm the Great Gardener. If you're new here, I run my own gardening business, and today I'm going to take you through what I'm calling my survival kit. Now this is things that I've put together in a box that stays in the van, and non-gardening related, and it's just things that kind of things that you might need during your day. So light-hearted look, and as ever, if you guys want to comment below as well, is there anything that you've got in your kind of kit, non-garden related, that you just use every day or you swear by, or whatever. I do have a towel which isn't in the box, and obviously safety gear, but I class those as gardening things. So as you'll see when we go through, these are kind of essentials, but not tools. So the first thing is a first aid kit. Now I'll put a link below. You can get these anywhere, but I'll put a link below if you want to check that out. You can spend a fortune on them. I think off the top of my head I've spent about a tenner on this. I can't quite remember, and it's a basic one. I think there's ones for a couple of £100, and the more you spend, the more you get. This is ample. So this stays in the van with us. So opening the box now, and first thing is sun cream. Now a couple of days ago it was the 40-degree heat wave. I suspect this video will probably come out at the back end of the year probably, so this might not be applicable really at the time. But yeah, you got to look after yourself, working outside in this heat. Sometimes I wear caps as well, and yeah, sun cream. This one, aloe vera. Now this is something else I want to ask you. So I've got this just to help with little bites and minor kind of little nettle rash type things. Not that I've had a proper look myself, but does anyone have anything that's really good, that's specific for bites? So that's something I want to put in the box here, but for now I've just got this. Anodine tablets or paracetamols always come in handy, and I always have massive drinks with us as well, especially on hot days, big bottles of juice and stuff like that. Hand sanitizing gel. Obviously the current climate, not going to go into that, I think we all know what I'm on about. So yeah, hand sanitizing gel. And over the years I've had hay fever. This year I've been okay really. I've taken tablets this year again. Other years they don't seem to have worked. This year I haven't had a single thing, but when I'm doing certain jobs my nose always runs and I constantly need to blow it, so I've got like loads of tissues, loads of packs of tissues. I keep buying them all the time. Yeah, so they're in the box. Wipes as well. Obviously if you get any dirt on your hands, or sometimes it's decent to clean the wheels on the mower, especially if you go over some dog poo or whatever. Yeah, just obviously pretty handy to have. Talking about dog poo, for those who don't pick it up, if I'm doing customers and I pick the odd one up, don't mind doing that. As I've said, I've got videos where I've just walked off the job absolutely caked with poo and it's minging, but some bags. These are from Home Bargains, £1.50. Yeah. And somewhere, I thought it might be in here, unless I put it in my first aid kit. Yeah, so I'll briefly show you anyway, if you can see there. So it opens out like this, and it's got like loads of stuff in. Yeah, I might have taken it in the house. Actually, it's tweezers. Because I tend to get spelks quite often. Now, I do wear gloves, obviously, but my ramp's made out of wood, and I just seem to get them every now and again, so that's really handy. I use that quite a bit actually. So last thing, and I get a lot of people saying where's your ear defenders and things, and I do wear them. I have got some, they're in the back, and depending on the job I do wear them. More often than not I wear headphones. These are the wireless ones, and I listen to music or podcast or something, and that dramatically lowers the noise of the engine. And this has a noise cancelling feature built in, so these are quite expensive. Again, I'll pop a link below if you do want to check them out. And they're really good on jobs where like you're a bit bored and you can put your music on, and the shape of them is quite good because they fit nicely in your ear, and they never come out. I have had another pair and they get a little bit wobbly, and especially when you're doing obviously you know, gardening work, but these stay really well in your ear. So yeah, so this is what I have as well as my ear defenders. So yeah, so that's what gets me through the day, as well as cups of coffee and the odd bacon sandwich and stuff like that. So yeah, so do you have a similar kind of box? Obviously put your comments below. Is there anything that I should definitely have that I haven't got? I'm sure there is. Someone will tell us something that I wished I've had for, well, since the start. So I'll wrap it up there anyway. Again, links below and stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.